Guys, in today's video we're going to be lighting up the contents of the VISAGE selection box from Standard Fireworks. Now this selection box is dirt cheap at just £14.94 over at Epic Fireworks right now, and on face value it seems to be a good value set. I mean, look at what you get for £14.94. You get a 30 shot barrage, a 21 shot Dragon Fury, you get 2 shot tubes which are probably the loud fireworks in this set, a load of fountains and 3 Roman candles with different varied effects. So on the surface, for £14.94, guys, that looks like a good deal. 16 fireworks in total in each pack. Now the interesting thing about this set is the noise rating, because they've graded it as high, 111 decibels, as you can see there. 120 is the maximum in the UK for maximum decibels for production fireworks. And in this video we're going to light the contents of the box up and we're going to see what you get for your money. Now if you haven't saw part 1 of me go through this box properly in detail, please go back and watch that video first. But right now, let's see these things go up in flames and see how they perform. Okay guys, this is the Night Tide fountain. That had plenty of crackle and a bit of colour. That's not too bad. On to the next one. Okay, here we have the Will of the Wisp. That's actually really calming to watch. It's like a nice flowering effect. Almost silent really, but I actually like that one. That's a good one for the little kids. 18 shot whirling waves. This looks interesting. Let's see what it can do. That's actually very impressive for a firework that's in a selection box that is under £15. You have to admit, I actually like the effect, the colours, the crackles, and the duration wasn't bad. You have to remember this selection box is under £15, so I'm impressed with that one. On to the next one. Okay, it looks like we have a little fountain here. Let's see how this performs. Guys, I thought that was going to give up halfway through for a second, and then it started again, and then I thought it looked like it was going to give up the ghost again, and then it carried on. So this thing seems to have Energizer batteries in it, because for the size it lasted quite a long time and it kind of surprised me. This is a 21 shot Dragon Fury. Not bad, plenty. Okay, Moonfall Roman candle. Was that 4 shots? I didn't know where to look then, because the first one was high and the second one was low. So it turns out it's just a standard type of Roman candle. On to the next one. Okay, let's try another Roman candle so we can compare the difference between the Moonfall, which we just had, and this one, the Star Blizzard. Let's see if this one's any different. Well, they did shoot a lot higher, so that was more impressive. But no crackles or really any sparkles, so not much different to the Moonfall, but they did shoot a lot higher. Okay, the next one is the Darling Dazzle, and this has to have crackles, right? The name gives it away. But we've done the Moonfall, we've done the Star Blizzard. I expect this one has some crackles in it. So no crackles, but it did leave a trail of sparks behind it. So basically each shot had a tail of sparks. So I like that one, that's not too bad. You have to remember, this is a cheap selection box. Guys, let's get on to the next firework. Tiny fountains here, and as short as these things are, and as small as they are, I actually love these little fountains because they remind me of when I was a kid, and they're a classic in the cheap selection boxes, aren't they? Let's light this one up first. That actually went higher than I thought for such a little fountain. Next one. Just a short duration flowering effect. You know, they are what they are, and it's probably, these are the types of fireworks that put a lot of smiles on young kids' faces and probably get little kids hooked on pyrotechnics forever. So for that, I can't blame them. Okay, we have another bigger fountain here. The box is green coloured, so does this contain strontium? Is it going to be green in colour? Let's have a look. Well, there was definitely green flaring in there with a bit of red, so not bad at all. I actually like these. Look at that, still smoking. Very nice. Stardust. Guys, these go high for the type and the size of fountain that they are. Not too bad. I think I preferred the first one because it was a slower duration and I like the effect. Okay, next up, the metallic fountain. Over. Wow, that crackle was a surprise at the end there. Okay, this is one of the shot tubes out of the set. This is the Star Dome. So this is the 30 shot Britannia Blaze. So that had nice crackles, but it didn't last long, and it actually didn't seem like 30 shots. So this is the 30 shot Britannia Blaze. So that had nice crackles, but it didn't last long, and it actually didn't seem like 30 shots. So guys, that was the Visage Selection Box from Standard Fireworks. Now, would I have this again? Yes, most definitely I would. I think for under £15, this thing is an absolute bargain. I mean, did you see some of those barrages that were included in this set? And you may notice that this barrage here and this one and these two shot tubes were shot in a different location. In actual fact, they were shot along the coastline on the beach. And the rest of the fireworks, of course, were shot in my back garden. But would I buy this again? Yes, I would. Do I think it's noisy? Well, I thought these were noisy, the shot tubes and the barrages, and that one at the end, the crackles, were very good quality, very sizable, which means a longer duration on the crackle and a louder duration in terms of noise. But do I think this is worth the money? Yes, 100% for £14, 94 or whatever it is, just under £15. This thing is a bargain, and I would definitely pick this up if I saw it again in a shop or pyrotechnics store. Guys, that's the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you've watched the video and you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because guys, I could do with your support and it helps me, give me motivation to do more videos like this. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.